I created these videos in just a few minutes without any manual editing.
They called the Titanic unsinkable. So when it sailed in 1912, no one thought this trip would end in tragedy. On board were rich passengers dining in luxury and poor families chasing a new life. Different worlds, same belief. 66 million years ago, the Earth was ruled by dinosaurs, a thriving ecosystem seemingly untouched by the hand of fate.
I simply gave a prompt, and the entire video was generated automatically. A lot of people are using this method on TikTok, getting millions of views, growing their accounts, and even making money from it. Today, we'll see how you can write just a single line of script or a short story, give it to an AI, and get a complete video in return. The best part is that you can create videos in any language and in any style you choose. And here's the fun part. Captions are added automatically. You don't need an editor at all. Everything happens inside one AI tool. To get started, we'll use Hypernatural AI. I've shared its link in video description as well. As soon as you land on the Hypernatural AI website, you'll see a text box on the landing page where you can enter your story prompt. It can be just one line or a full story. I'll use ChatGPT to write a story and paste it here. After pasting the story, you can click the plus icon to upload any material you want, like videos, photos, or audio files, directly from your computer. Next, you select a style. There are many styles available, such as photography, 3D animation, anime, cyberpunk, classic horror, and many more. I'll choose the photography style. After that, click on length. Here you'll see multiple options. You can create videos longer than 10 minutes for classic or long-form content. You can make 3 to 10-minute videos, 1 to 3-minute videos for Facebook, or even short-form videos under 60 seconds for TikTok, which can get great views. Once you choose the length, you select the aspect ratio. There are 3 options: vertical, landscape, and square. Since we're making a TikTok video, we'll select the portrait 9:16 aspect ratio and click the arrow. After clicking the arrow, you'll see a confirmation screen where you can review your selected sound, style, and aspect ratio. From here, you can choose any sound you like. I'll preview a few and select the one that feels right. The style will remain the same as we selected earlier, and we'll keep the aspect ratio as it is. Below, you can see that multiple scenes and narration are automatically generated. The narrator's text and scene descriptions are already written for you. As you can see, our video ends up being 53 seconds long. If you want to create the video in another language, you can select a different language from here as well. Then, I'll click on Generate Video. After some time, the AI will read the script, create characters, build scenes, assemble the sets, and finally compile everything into a complete video. Once the video is ready, it opens in an editor where you can play and preview it.
They called the Titanic unsinkable. So when it sailed in 1912, no one thought this trip would end in tragedy.
In this video, you can see that it starts with images, everything is generated automatically, and captions are already added. Everything is ready to go. Here we can see that static images are used with transitions, along with multiple images and video clips. If you want to change any photo, you can click on it and regenerate it. If you don't want photos at all and prefer full motion videos only, simply click the full motion button. All images will be selected and converted into video clips automatically. After some time, everything will turn into video and you can preview it again. You can also customize captions by changing their style, placement, size, and overall look according to your preference. After all this, if you want, you can share the video using an unlisted link or simply click the export button to download it. This way, you can create storytelling videos for TikTok, Instagram, or any short-form platform using this single tool. If you're struggling to write a script, you can go to the Ideas tab, where you'll find lots of pre-made stories, video concepts, and even ad templates. You can use any of these template videos and customize them for yourself. For example, if I want to edit or recreate this real estate video for my own use, I'll simply select it and enter it. After that, you'll use the same options I showed earlier, and your video will be created easily.
In Pasadena.
Along with the video, you can also create your own custom style here. To do that, click on Create Style and add a description for your style. You can upload reference images or just give a prompt, and your style will be created. After that, you can even create a new character. Just add the character description, and a brand new character will be generated for you. With that, we come to the end of this video. You'll find the website link in the video description, where you can use the platform with a great discount. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it.